A, B. That's okay. Let's do that again. A, B, A, B, C. A, B, C, B. A, B, C, D, E. Which one letter E?
How do you write E?
This, like this, like this.
I don't know. You write it by yourself.
Don't have.
This one, no?
Oh, E. Oh, what? Oh my God. Spill on me.
Sige, again.
It's okay, we can't do this all the time. Oh my God.
Oh, you write your name here.
Okay. A. What's the letter?
S.
S. Why have I write an S?
S.
A, B, C, D.
Ayun ang S, oh.
S, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. It's A. Okay, let's write an A.
Okay, follow this one. Your name.
A, B, oh.
Baliktad pala. A siya. No, this one. On the other side. S.
S. Uy. I. A.
There you go.
A. Did that?
Okay.
A said Joanna.
Okay, come here. Look here.
Hi guys, today we're just doing something like we are